bit of a setback. We were in the process of picking up a forklift and delivering it to California from Washington. And here in Nevada, my husband's truck completely died down on the freeway. And to leave it here at the dealership in Nevada, they said it was going to take 2 to 3 months to get it fixed. So we're taking it back home to our hometown. I drove 16 hours with a truck that my husband's friend let us borrow to come pick him up and take our truck back home and hopefully get our truck fixed and up and running soon. So this is my husband currently with another Hotshot company who came and picked up the load that we had because there was no way we were going to be able to deliver it. Only because the truck that we have currently isn't registered in our business, so we didn't want to take any chances. So they're in the process of getting our La Mamalona up on the trailer, and we're going to be taking her home. So it looks like we have it tied up to another truck that's going to pull it, and as that truck pulls it, it's going to pull our truck up on the trailer. Baby. Now this is not the way our Hotshot business is supposed to go, where our trailer hauls our truck.
Our truck on the trailer.
That's our truck is getting VIP right now.
It's like reverse psychology.